In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bio on Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is clicking my name up at the top left corner. That takes me straight to my profile, and once I'm there, I'm heading into the About section. This is where the profile details are managed, so if you want to add something short about yourself, this is the area you want to be in. I'm clicking into About now, and once it opens, I'm looking for the Intro tab. Now that I'm in the intro area, I'm finding the option that says About You. That's the one I need for this, so I'm clicking it, and this opens the space where I can add a short description to my profile. At this point, I'm just typing in the bio I want to show. You can keep this short and simple since this part is really meant to be a quick introduction on your profile. I'm entering the text directly into the box and just checking it as I go, so it looks the way I want before I save anything. Once that's done, I'm clicking save. And that's the step that applies the bio to the profile. So now the short description is added, and anyone who can see that section of the profile will be able to view it there. The nice thing about this is that it's a really quick update. Once you know where the option is, you're not digging through a bunch of extra menus or settings for this one. Everything happens right from your profile, and it only takes a few clicks from start to finish. So if you're following along on your own screen, the full flow is very simple. Open Facebook, click your name at the top left corner, go to the About section, open the Intro tab, click About You, type your short description, and then click Save once you're done. That's really all there is to it. The main thing is just getting into the right part of the profile first, because once you're inside the intro area, the rest is very easy to spot and complete. At this point, your bio should already be showing on the profile, so you're finished. You don't need to go anywhere else after you click Save, and there's no extra confirmation step after that. Facebook applies it right there, and your profile updates with the new description. So that's exactly how to add a bio on Facebook. And once you've done it one time, it becomes a very quick thing to update anytime you want to change that short intro on your profile. It's simple, it's direct, and the whole thing stays right inside your profile from beginning to end.